Hi, my name is Troy here in the Asheville, North Carolina office for America's Home Place. I'd like to discuss the options that are going to come up for you when moving into your new home and how to take care of it. Obviously, it is a new home, but there will still be minor defects that come along. As time goes on, the house will settle, drywall will crack, things will start to come, you'll start to notice little things here and there. The biggest thing is we have a great warranty program. We have a 210 home warranty buyer program that will help you through your way and give you all the information you need. And also here in Asheville, we have an in-house warranty program with a warranty manager that will come out and help you decide what's going to be the best option to get these items fixed. The biggest thing is we request that you follow the examples and the guidelines that are given to you in the booklets handed out at your final walkthrough of the home. This is going to help you take care of that new house and keep it in immaculate shape as possible. And again, I'm Troy with America's Home Place in the Asheville, North Carolina office.